So today we're doing fish and chips with a twist. A twist, you say? What is the twist? Well, a lemon twist. Actually, we're doing parsley, chili, garlic, bit of thyme, a couple of sweet potato, peri-peri salt chips, a bit of steamed broccoli, and a smack of the knife. And we're gonna actually do it on the barbecue. Not the potatoes, obviously, but see how it goes. So we've washed our fish fillets. We're using some haddock, just some small haddock fillets, and we're going to we've put some olive oil into our herbs and spices mix. So basically we've got some chili, thyme, parsley, garlic, and olive oil in there. First thing we're going to do is actually salt the fish. So I'm going to salt it on both sides. Before we do that, anything else with it, and then now we're going to get this nice mixture on both sides of it, and we'll use a bit more when we get it on the barbecue as well, just to make it some extra flavors, because we're going to flip it now and it's not all going to stay on there anyway. And we've put the sweet potato chips in the oven. They're cooking away, and probably about 20 minutes or so, we'll get these on the barbecue. Because I'm not a master chef, I actually have to be my own dish pig. Part of the fun. We're done. These chips are actually amazing. Just the right amount of peri-peri spiciness and saltiness. Thanks, Lana and Michael. And the fish turned out really well. Broke up a little bit on the barbecue, but looks quite good with that.